friends, it's Emily. Welcome to Scribbles from Emily. We just got back from visiting family for Christmas in Iowa yesterday. Today, everything feels a bit like a disaster. We've got new toys, new stuff everywhere. Yeah, it's kind of a mess. And we gotta get back on track, on schedule, and back to regular life. So I thought I would take you guys along with me today as I start to tackle the cleaning. Before we left, we had our family Christmas and I gave Edison some of this kinetic sand stuff, which is really cool, but it also makes a massive mess, much more than it says. It says it makes no mess, and that is not true. So I'm still finding like bits of that all over the floor, even though I tried to clean it up before we left. Unsuccessfully. And if you hear that sound in the background, that's Edison playing with his Christmas tree before it gets packed up for the year. So today we're going to get started with the laundry. I find that this is the most efficient way to get back on track after a trip. Start with doing the laundry. And then I'm also working a little bit on packing up our Christmas wrapping supplies and getting all that back in the closet. And I'll post a link in the description down below for my wrapping paper container. Then I'm working on taking down the pine branches in the bathroom. And this is vacuum number 1, just to kind of get a base level of clean going. And Edison decided to help me mop, which was great. And I'm also going to be working on a whole series of cleaning, decluttering, and organizing videos. So let me know in the comments below, what is the hardest area for you to keep decluttered and organized? And I also took the opportunity to do a quick clean in the fridge, and Edison helped me wash the front of the fridge. Now I've got Edison busy with some new puzzles while I gather up the Christmas decorations from around downstairs and get it consolidated in one place. It's gotta get worse before it gets better, right? Okay, now I'm working on tidying up this bookshelf, cleaning some of the dust bunnies in the back corner. I decided to just take the time and arrange all the books nicely. These toys we've got to find homes for since we have added some from Christmas, so I'm going to pull out the toys we have stored since we have a toy rotation system and sort them all out.
Up, beep.
Careful.
Up, down. Up, beep. Down. Up, down.
What are you doing?
I can make it up. I can make the birds up or down.
For more about how I rotate the toys, you can check out the video that I'll link here about the last time I decluttered the kids' toys last year. But it's about time to do it again. I just vacuumed out the inside of our trash drawer and recycling drawer, Meanwhile, Bennett's pulled out all of the batteries and flashlights. Such is life. This is our room. I had some pine needles on my nightstand. Oh. So I still gotta unpack and take care of Christmas presents and do laundry. Peekaboo. Yeah? So I vacuumed through here. Vacuumed the pine needles in here. Now it's time to get back to laundry. So I vacuumed through here. Vacuumed the pine needles in here. Now it's time to get back to laundry. Bennett! Oh my goodness. Hey! Time to come out. And now for the task that I've been dreading the most, taking down the pine needles from above the kitchen cabinets. I'm really glad I have this little hand vacuum, so that helps make the cleanup up above the cabinets quite a bit easier. I couldn't believe we even had pine needles inside the cabinets, of all things. And Edison's helping me vacuum again while wearing his puppy Halloween costume from when we were the 101 Dalmatians. It's totally normal, right? Well guys, we've been cleaning literally all day. So I'm gonna call it quits for now. We still have like half the house to un-Christmas ties and get all the greenery down. But this is where we will end for today. No more branches up above, and most of the pine needles are vacuumed up. I forgot this wreath here. That's a Christmas item I can take down. I finally got these prints hung up. And then I have this new painting that I brought home. This used to be my dad's and hang in his church office. So I'm really happy to have it. And I know I said I was done, but after dinner I decided to do a little more work here in the office just because it was such a jumping ground for everything we brought home from Christmas, and I just really needed to at least make some progress.
Welcome back, everybody.
Good morning. It's another Saturday and we are going to work on cleaning again. This time it's after Epiphany and we will be taking down our Christmas trees.
But I don't want to take down mine.
Edison doesn't want to take down his yet though, but it's time. You're gonna need a lot of coffee for this.
I like some ketchup on that.
Thank you so much for watching this clean with me video as we took down our Christmas decorations and the trees. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And what are some of the biggest issues that you find when you're trying to keep your space clean and organized? That would help me out so much, and I am looking forward to this new series. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.